Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is September 5th, 2025, and we're diving into the Q2 2025 earnings report of Sportsman's Warehouse. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Sportsman's Warehouse has been navigating some challenging market conditions, and their latest earnings report provides some interesting insights into their performance and strategy.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Sportsman's Warehouse reported net sales of $293.9 million for Q2 2025, a 1.8% increase from last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth in net sales is primarily driven by increased sales in their fishing and hunting and shooting sports departments, as well as e-commerce channel growth. The company also saw a 2.1% increase in same-store sales, which is a positive sign of their strategic initiatives taking effect.
And what about their profitability?
The gross margin improved by 80 basis points to 32.0%, largely due to healthier inventory and increased sales from their fishing department, which carries a higher gross margin. This indicates effective cost management and strategic product placement.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Now let's talk about earnings per share. The adjusted EPS came in at 92.12 cents, which was in line with the forecast by two analysts. How does this align with the company's overall financial health?
While the adjusted EPS met expectations, the company reported a net loss of $7.1 million. However, it's worth noting that their adjusted EBITDA improved to $8.3 million from $7.4 million last year, indicating better operational efficiency despite the net loss.
So, would you say the company is on the right track?
Yes, the improvements in EBITDA and gross margin suggest that Sportsman's Warehouse is making progress in its transformation strategy, even though they are still facing some financial challenges.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. John, let's discuss the strategic initiatives and future outlook for Sportsman's Warehouse. What are they focusing on?
The company is focusing on simplifying assortments, improving working capital efficiency, and driving margin improvement. They've strategically built up inventory ahead of the late summer and fall hunting seasons, which they expect to sell through, reducing both inventory and debt levels by year-end.
And what about their expansion plans?
They plan to open a new store in November 2025 in Surprise, Arizona, which aligns with their strategy to expand their footprint and capture more market share. This, combined with their focus on digital-first marketing, positions them well for future growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Sportsman's Warehouse has shown resilience in Q2 2025 with a slight increase in net sales and improved gross margin despite ongoing challenges. Their strategic focus on inventory management and digital marketing is promising for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Overall, the company is making strategic moves to position itself for long-term profitability. Investors should keep an eye on their debt reduction efforts and how they manage inventory in the coming quarters.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Sportsman's Warehouse's performance in the comments below. Until next time.